All right, hey guys, this is Christian from MTS. Just gonna make a quick video talking about how to remove the shock fork from the shaft. So the first thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need some sort of soft jaws to clamp down on the shaft without damaging it. I don't really know if there's any other way you can do this without the soft jaws. I do know some people have tried with a press instead of with a vise instead of a press. The press is gonna be your best bet though. The press and the soft jaws is definitely the ticket. The other thing that's really important is there's Loctite on these threads. So you need to heat up the fork with a torch in order to get this off. You just wanna make sure that you're heating up the part of the fork where the threads are at to hopefully break that Loctite loose. Don't be shy with the torch. It has to be pretty hot, like it's gonna be smoking, and be careful not to touch it. Okay, I'm gonna see if that's enough. What we use is just some sort of big bar, some big lever, so you can get some force applied to it. And then it should just break loose like that. Just be careful not to drop the fork on yourself because it will be hot. So maybe just stand clear of it. Next, you're gonna take a metal wire brush, clean up these threads a little bit, get them prepped for the new fork. Another thing that's really good to do is take some brake cleaner and cool down the shaft as much as you can. That'll help the new fork go on a little easier. The tolerance is super tight, so you have to get some heat on it to make it fit. Okay, once you have your shaft all cleaned off, you're gonna take your red Loctite and you're gonna put it down in the threads on your fork. And then you might have to use a little bit of heat to get this to go on easy. You might have to heat up the fork a little bit because it's a really tight fit. But if you're lucky, it'll just thread on just like that. Cooling down the shaft also helps a lot to help this go on easy. And there you go. Simple as that. Give it a quick little, crank it a little bit more with the breaker bar, and you should be good to go.